Let's take this toy out.
Okay, let's open it up, pirate.
I don't need a hat.
Okay, we don't need a hat.
Ouch.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Go!
Wow. Let's see what the Delux workshop looks like. What do we need, Alex? We need instructions.
What's next?
What's next? We need to find some instructions. Okay.
Pizza.
Pizza after we're done.
Yeah.
Okay.
We eat a pizza.
Okay. Okay, what do we need here, Alex? What are we gonna need? What are those?
Screwdriver.
Yeah, we need a screwdriver and some screws, yes?
Yes. Let's
Okay.
bring it.
Okay, you bring a screwdriver.
Huh?
Go bring a screwdriver.
Daddy, you need to bring it.
I need to bring it?
Yes.
Yes, but you have no access to the real
Look
tool.
at this.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's open it up. Wow, look at the tools.
It's still broken.
No, this needs batteries. Again, everything needs batteries. Ooh, look at this.
Hey.
Wow, that's cool.
This locks. Wow.
Dragon.
Okay, let's first put batteries in here.
I see you. I see you. Yes, it's working.
Wow.
Wow.
What is that? What is that called?
A drill.
It's a drill. Okay.
Good job. Okay, step 1 and 2 are completed.
I need more drills. Daddy.
Yes, what do you need? Yeah, check it out. Oh yeah, I see it. I forgot about it. Wow, thank you for reminding me. To hold wood together when you cut. Okay. What's that? That's a real screwdriver. Gotcha. I need the screwdriver, my friend. So as we can see, this is very not that bad, but there is assembly required. Oh, we got a little vacuum piece.
What's this?
It's a piece of a vacuum. Sweetie Fella's busy back there putting all the screws and everything. How's it looking back there?
Good.
Good?
Let's
Okay.
somebody get to build.
This is hard work, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whew.
Whew. I backwards, I broke it.
You better get a good paycheck out of this.
You got it? It's working. It's work ready. It's working all of it.
Really? really.
What's this? Harder, what's this?
That's for wood pieces, like, I'm gonna show you.
Oh,
You see?
show me.
Now you would cut the wood.
It's not cracking. It's not cracking. It's not cracking. No, it's not cracking. It's cracking. Ugh. Almost. Gotta go.
Go, hold, cut it.
Again. Wait. I can't. Then you do it.
You really can't do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cracking.
Cracking. Good job.
Oh, crack.
All cracked, yeah.
Okay, we broke it.
Stickers,
I
okay?
can do it.
Look, yes, we can. Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Marshall. The tools go over here, and I wish in this toy they would have real toy tools here. The sticker is not really the best choice, but it will go right there.
Nope.
What's this, a ruler?
I want to do it.
Okay, you want to put the ruler on?
Yeah, okay. Okay, first I do it. Wow, that's a long. Which way?
Which way? Wait, let me show you.
Huh? Show me.
I will show you. No problem. Wait.
Here? Yes.
Yes.
I will do it. I can't. My sticker.
Make sure you put it straight. Good job.
It's still far.
Good job. Okay, Sweetie Fella, how did you like the toy?
Better.
Better, but not the best, yes?
Best.
Not the best.
It's better.
It's better, yes, but it's not the best. The quality is so-so. We expected a little bit more tools, not stickers of tools. And because this is a little handyman right here. But overall, you somewhat like it, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we need to say bye-bye.
Bye, Sweetie Fellas.
Bye.
Bye. We'll play.
Let's play now. Yes.
Yes.
Time to play, yes?
What about
After
this
all the
one?
work.
What about this one?
We'll put the batteries in. Okay? Bye.
Sayonara.